Hey, so I'll give you an update on the Power Wagon build. I've had a couple of dramas. Give you a little walk around first. Right, so the blue tape's on the bonnet, or hood if you're from America, because I'm going to cut that out so it'll actually drop down just underneath the air cleaner, so the air cleaner will stick out, because I've still got a gap there and there. I want to bring that front of the body right down. And the other thing is, look at that. Good shot at that one. It's a beast. And check this out. I haven't had this happen before. I've got a link bar sticking straight through the engine bay, which is not cool. Really not cool. Somehow it's unwound itself, so I'm going to have to actually glue the end on that so that never ever happens again, because that's really bad. Anyway, we're getting there, very slowly, but it's getting there.